Hello, my name is David. I'm a senior support engineer with E1 Solutions, and today I'm going to be showing you how to completely uninstall SmartView Internal. So there is a knowledge base article to go along with this. So what you want to do is we're first going to go out to the E1 Solutions website, hit the search, and we're going to search for how to uninstall SmartView Internal. And here's our article. So what we're going to do, I'm going to have you bring up this article for reference while we walk through it. So what I'm going to do, here's the article, it gives you all the steps for uninstalling. I'm going to walk through all these steps for you. So we'll go ahead and start now. So go ahead and open up this article for reference, and then I'll walk you through the steps. So here we have Dynamics GP. I just want to show you I have SmartView currently installed, and I can see customers. So we have an operational SmartView, but we want to uninstall this either to upgrade or whatever, for whatever reason. So we're going to go ahead and close Dynamics. So in our article, step 1, it says in File Explorer, go to the local Dynamics GP install folder. Right click on the Start menu and go to File Explorer. Okay, and then by default, the Dynamics GP install is on your C program files x86 Microsoft Dynamics GP folder. Here's all my files, and it says right click on the step 2, right click on the Dynamics set file and pick copy. And then step 3, paste it to another location. So basically we're just making a backup of our Dynamics set file. So here is our Dynamics set file. All I'm doing, I'm taking that, I'm going to copy it, and I'm just going to make a backup of it on my desktop. You just want to do this just in case you mess up the set file. You can always get back to the original one. So I'm going to edit the Dynamics set file, and it's step 4 says right click, choose edit. Step 5, reduce the top number by 1. So you see how this number says 23. So we reduce this by 1 to 22. Then after that, on step 6, it says remove the following information from the Dynamics set file. So the first 2 items in step 6 say 4700 and SmartView. The first 2 items will always be next to each other. So if I scroll down the set file, here's my 4700 and my SmartView. So my article says I want to remove those. So we're going to delete those. And then the following 3 items, it says remove the SmartView dictionary, forms dictionary, reports dictionary. So the subsequent 3 items are always found in a group together. And in my case, they happen to be at the bottom. But you're going to want to delete those 3 lines. That's the SmartView dictionary, the forms dictionary, and the reports dictionary. So we're going to delete those. And we're going to go File, Save. So now we've modified our Dynamics set file. Then it says go into the GP add-ins folder. So we're going to go up here to add-ins. It says rename the following files: E1 Dynamics GP SmartView DLL and E1 SmartView Age Trial Balance Options DLL. So we're going to rename those. We're just going to put old on there. So here is our Age Trial Balance. We're just going to rename that. And we're going to change the DLL to OLD. And then we're also going to do the same thing with the SmartView DLL. We're just going to rename that to OLD. Okay. And that was step 10. Now it says go back into the GP folder and rename or delete the following files. If renaming it, change it to old, so Windows and GP don't find it. So in here, we're looking for application.smartview.dll. That's the first one. So we're going to rename that to old. SmartView.dictionary. Here's our SmartView dictionary. So we're going to delete that as well. And then it also says to delete the SmartView VBA if present. If there was one, it would be right next to the SmartView dictionary. So we don't have one, so we don't have to delete it. So now it says SmartView is completely uninstalled. So let's test that theory and relaunch Dynamics GP. And verify we no longer have SmartView on the menu. And we're getting logged in. Now, if we go to the menu, we only have Smart List. We no longer have Smart View. And then also SmartView has a setup menu under Tools, SmartView Setup. You'll notice there is no SmartView setup menu. So now SmartView is completely uninstalled. At this point, you could reinstall a newer version or leave it uninstalled. It's up to you. But that is how simple it is to uninstall SmartView. Thanks a lot for listening in, and hopefully that makes the knowledge base a lot less intimidating to walk through. So you guys have a nice day.